Solving triangles for missing sides is something that we've already covered, but we can now add using our special 30, 60, 90 triangles to this mix. So, this is something that is an example of a question we could ask you to do without a calculator. Why? Because in this particular problem, we want to find what is this length here, but we also know that because of this 30 degrees here, this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So we already know we can draw a 30, 60, 90 triangle and find our SOHCAHTOA off of that triangle. So let's see if we can give this problem a try. Notice on the 30, the 18 is the hypotenuse and the x is the adjacent side. So what puts adjacent and hypotenuse together? Cosine. So the cosine of 30 degrees is going to be equal to x over 18. How do we solve these problems? Remember, multiply both sides by the denominator first. That gets us so that there's nothing in the denominator. So we have 18 times the cosine of 30 degrees. Now, using our triangle, our special triangle over here, we can see cosine of 30 degrees, is square root of 3 over 2. So we can go ahead and write that in. And now it's just a matter of doing a little bit of math. Multiplying across the tops, that's 18 square root of 3 over 2. And then remember, outsides reduce outsides. So 18 divided by 2 is 9 square root of 3. We should be able to do a problem like that without a calculator. Let's come over here and let's see if we can solve this one for the variable r. Notice this is a 60-degree angle on the bottom, so that automatically tells me this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. From the 60, the adjacent is 42 and the hypotenuse is r. What puts together adjacent and hypotenuse? SOHCAHTOA. So this is another cosine problem. In this case, the cosine of 60 degrees is 42 over r. Remember, these are a little bit trickier. We need to multiply both sides by that denominator first. But in this case, now we have our cosine of 60 degrees is equal to 42. So to get cosine or to get r by itself, we need to divide both sides by cosine 60. That will give me 42 over the cosine of 60 degrees. Now, looking at our special 30, 60, 90 triangle, adjacent over hypotenuse is 1/2. So this is 42 divided by 1/2, or 42 times 2. Our answer is r is equal to 84. So we can solve any triangle that is a 30, 60, 90 triangle if we know our special triangle side.